Our journey begins in the tropical jackfruit orchards, where mature fruits are carefully selected at peak ripeness for optimal sweetness and texture.
Expert farmers assess each jackfruit by sound and firmness, ensuring only perfectly ripe specimens are harvested for processing. Jackfruit.
Using traditional harvesting tools, workers carefully detach each fruit to prevent bruising, which would affect the final chip quality. Harvested jackfruits are immediately collected in ventilated wooden crates to maintain freshness during transport to the processing facility.
Within hours of harvest, the jackfruits begin their journey to our modern processing facility, preserving their natural freshness. At our certified processing plant, raw materials arrive at the dedicated receiving dock for immediate quality inspection.
Trained personnel in full hygiene gear transfer the crates into the climate-controlled inspection zone.
Each batch undergoes rigorous quality inspection, with trained specialists checking size, ripeness, and surface integrity before acceptance.
The accepted fruits enter our automated washing system, where pressurized water jets remove field dirt and surface contaminants.
High-velocity air knives instantly remove excess moisture, preparing the fruits for the cutting station.
Skilled workers manually section each fruit, exposing the golden flesh pods that will become our premium chips.
Extracted flesh pods are transferred to our automated processing line for the next stage of preparation.
Our precision slicing equipment cuts the flesh into uniform 2mm wafers, ensuring consistent cooking and crispness. Jackfruit chips. The sliced pieces are distributed in a single layer across our wide-format conveyor, optimizing the drying process. Slices undergo controlled blanching at 8 to 5 degrees Celsius to deactivate enzymes and preserve natural color.
High-speed centrifugal force removes excess surface water, reducing frying time and ensuring better chip quality. Jackfruit chips.
Our state-of-the-art vacuum fryer operates at reduced pressure, lowering the frying temperature to preserve nutrients and color. After precise vacuum frying, the chips emerge golden and crispy, having absorbed minimal oil due to the low-pressure process. The fried chips are immediately drained on vibrating screens, removing excess oil for a lighter, healthier final product.
The hot chips pass through our cooling tunnel, where controlled airflow rapidly brings them to room temperature.
Excess seasoning is sifted away and recycled, ensuring no waste while maintaining perfect flavor balance. Every batch undergoes visual inspection, where trained quality experts check for color uniformity, size consistency, and structural integrity. Texture testing confirms the perfect crispness and internal structure that define our premium quality standard.
Weight verification ensures consistent portioning, while moisture content testing guarantee extended shelf life and maintained crispness.
Approved chips are elevated to our automated packaging floor, where they'll be weighed and sealed with precision.
The approved chips are collected in calibrated hoppers that feed our high-speed automatic packaging machines. Pre-printed metallized film provides superior moisture and oxygen barrier protection, preserving freshness for months.
Our vertical form fill seal system shapes the film into pouches while simultaneously dosing the precise chip quantity.
Computer-controlled multi-head weighers calculate optimal combinations to achieve exact weight targets within 0.5 grams.
Each pouch is filled through specialized nozzles designed to prevent chip breakage during the high-speed packaging process.
Nitrogen flushing displaces oxygen inside each package, preventing oxidation and extending shelf life significantly.
Every single package crosses an automatic check weigher that verify weight accuracy and diverts any packages outside specification.
Industrial metal detectors scan each package, ensuring no metal contamination from processing equipment has entered the product. Automated vision systems photograph every package seal in high resolution, detecting any microscopic imperfections that could compromise freshness.
High-resolution inkjet printers apply batch codes and expiration dates, ensuring full traceability from factory to consumer.
Our automated case packer begins by dispensing pre-sized corrugated boxes from the magazine feeder.
Mechanical erectors fold the flat blanks into three-dimensional cases, preparing them to receive product. Approved packages accumulate on staging conveyors, where they're organized for automated case packing.
Hot melt adhesive is precisely applied to bottom flaps, creating a secure seal that won't fail during transportation.
High-speed robots using vision guidance systems pick packages in precise patterns for optimal case packing density.
Each case receives exactly 12 packages, arranged to maximize protection and minimize movement during shipping. Pneumatic pressure ensures proper glue adhesion before cases move to the product loading station. Automated flap folders close the case top in a precise sequence, preparing it for final sealing.
High-tack packaging tape secures the top closure, providing tamper evidence and additional protection. Product labels containing barcode tracking information are automatically applied to each master case for inventory management.
Inline scanners automatically register each case into our warehouse management system, enabling complete supply chain visibility. Finished cases are conveyed to the palletizing zone, where they'll be stacked for efficient warehouse storage. The palletizing process begins with automated dispensing of standard export pallets to the loading station.
Robotic palletizers stack cases in pre-programmed patterns, ensuring stability and maximizing pallet density. Jackfruit chips.
Each layer is oriented perpendicular to the previous one, creating a columnar lock that prevents shifting during transport.
The palletizer continues building the stack, typically loading 5 to 6 layers, totaling 72 cases per pallet.
Protective slip sheets are placed between pallet layers and on top, preventing friction damage during handling. Completed pallets advance to the stretch wrapping station, where they'll be secured for shipment.
Automated stretch wrappers apply multiple layers of film with precise tension, unitizing the load and protecting it from dust and moisture.
The film is precisely cut and heat sealed, completing a tamper-evident wrap that secures the load as a single unit. Shipping labels with destination information and handling instructions are applied to each wrapped pallet for logistics tracking. Certified operators use industrial forklifts to transport finished pallets to the designated storage area.
Pallets are stored in our climate-controlled warehouse facility, organized by production date for efficient FIFO inventory rotation. Every pallet movement is tracked digitally, maintaining real-time inventory accuracy and full batch traceability.
Finally, completed orders are loaded onto refrigerated transport trucks, beginning their journey to distributors and retailers.